Good morning, students. Let us start today's online class. Today, once more, I'm going to start chapter number 13, tense. And in this chapter, we are going to study in detail about the tenses. Today, I'm going to take present tense. Yesterday we have studied the compile structure and examples of the tenses. Yesterday I have told you about the present tense, past tense and future tense. I have given already examples, some examples also. Today I want to give you here examples with structures, so that you can understand it properly. Without structures, students, you can't understand how you had make the sentences. You make sentences. So I'm giving to you. That is why properly you have to listen and try to understand it properly. Students, I'm taking here number 1. What is simple present tense? As through the examples you see, what is given here? Simple present tense. Structure is here subject plus verb first form plus SRES plus object plus OW. But here we have to take what is not. What is not? SRES. SRES used only with third person. What is third person singular subject? These things you have to keep in mind. This is the note here. We are taking SRES used only with the third person singular number subject. Person and number, singular number subject. If the subject is third person singular number, we use here SRES to change the plural verb into singular verb. I am taking some example also. Just like I am taking in detail. Number 1, first person singular number subject. I go to market. This is first person singular number subject. Number 2, I am taking plural number. We go to school. This is plural number, first person. Second person also I am taking third number. Second person, you read this book. This is second person. Third person singular number I am taking children. He plays. Just I have told you here, this is he is a third person singular number, so we use here SRES. He plays cricket. He plays cricket. Number 5th I am taking children. She paints pictures. She paints pictures. And third person, plural number also I am taking. They ride bicycles. We write here bicycles. So these 6 examples are given here, children. These are simple sentences here. and in each and every you see subject, verb and object here. Subject, verb, object. Subject, verb, object is given there, and not other words are not given here. Now I am taking interrogative sentence. Especially you have to pay attention in it, because mostly students commit a mistake in it. First number I am taking here, do, does, subject, because there are two types of interrogative. Number one is here the interrogative which starts with a helping verb, means which starts with a helping verb, and second interrogative is the words which starts the sentences which starts with a question word. And question word, what are these? Question words are is here what, which, where, why, whose, whom, like etc. Whom, etc. Like this we can take here. You know, you are finding this. I am taking some examples also. Children, I am taking some examples we can take here, just like number one. Here I am taking this one. I go to market. According first I am doing here. I go to market. So I is a first person singular number. What we use here? Helping verb do. So we write here do I go to market and question mark. Number two I am taking here. Number two, just like we go to school. So what is do we go to school? Do we go to school? Number third I am taking here. He plays cricket. So what is does he play? Does he play cricket? Question mark. Here also we write question mark. Fourth number we take here. What is she paints picture, or they I am taking they ride bicycles. So what is do they ride bicycle? Bicycle we write question mark here. This is first type of interrogation. Second number I am taking question word. Same sentences I am taking here. Second type, and the second type what are examples? Just like do I go to market? Do I go to market? So what is coming when do? While we find out place, we write where. When we find out subject, we write who. So we write here subject here. We are finding out subject. So where do I go? Question mark. No need of writing market. And number next I am taking does he play cricket? So we have to find what. What does he do? So we write here what does he do? Question mark. Like this we change here sentences. Now I am going to talk here negative sentence. What is negative sentence? In negative sentence we have to fix what are these. The structure already you know. Subject plus do oblique does plus not plus verb first form plus object plus OW. Like this we write here. Same sentences I am taking. I go to market. So we write here what is number 1. I do not go to market. I do not go to market. Number 2 I am taking children. What is number 2? Just like she paints picture. So we write here she does not paint picture. She does not paint picture. Understood, students? I hope this is clear to you. And I tried here to include all the things which are necessary to you for the simple present tense. And I have taken only this one, simple present tense. In simple present tense means simple sentence. What are coming here? Simple present means, this present tense means what are coming? Simple sentence. Simple sentence, interrogative sentence and negative sentences. And tomorrow in next lecture I will take present continuous tense with the structures and examples. So you have to listen it. Today you listen this video properly and try to understand, go through the examples of the book so that you can confirm all the things. We will meet you in next lecture. Till then, goodbye.